Your AI agent is in the middle of a job. It reaches for a tool it needs and the tool says no. Payment required, 402. Now watch this. Instead of stopping and waiting for you, the agent simply pays. It signs a tiny stablecoin transaction, sends the proof, and gets its data. No human, no card, no login. This is two protocols clicking together. One lets an agent use tools. The other lets it pay for them. MCP and x402. And the strangest part, the whole thing runs on a status code that has been sitting unused inside the web for 30 years. HTTP 402. Payment required. Here's how it actually works. The agent asks a server for something. The server answers 402 and hands back exact instructions. Pay this much, in this coin, to this address. The agent signs the payment, attaches it to the very same request, and tries again. This time, the server hands over the data. The entire loop takes seconds, and this is not theoretical. On Coinbase's network alone, agents have already run more than 119 million of these payments. Behind it stands a cast you rarely see agree on anything. Coinbase, Cloudflare, Google, Stripe, Visa, MasterCard, Amazon, all in one foundation. But before you get too excited, hold on. Strip away the testing and the wash trading, and the real money moving today is tiny. One analyst called the whole boom a mirage. So which is it? The future of the internet, or a solution with no problem yet? Today we break down MCP plus x402, the protocol that finally gives your agent a wallet. To see why this matters, start with what was actually broken. Over the last year, AI agents got genuinely capable. They can plan, write code, browse the web, and call outside tools to get real work done. But they were all missing one very human ability. They could not pay for anything. Think about how you start using a paid API today. You sign up for an account, you confirm an email, you generate a secret key, you paste in a credit card, pick a plan, and set up billing. Every one of those steps quietly assumes a human with a wallet sitting at a keyboard. An autonomous agent has none of that. So the moment money is involved, the agent hits a hard wall. It can finish the actual work in milliseconds, then just sit there, waiting for a person to come and punch in card details. The agent runs at machine speed. Payments still run at human speed. Now, the first half of the fix already existed. In late 2024, Anthropic released the Model Context Protocol, MCP. It gave agents a clean, standard way to discover tools and call them. A universal port for plugging an AI into the outside world, and it spread incredibly fast. But MCP has one deliberate blind spot. It connects an agent to a tool, and it says nothing at all about money. Every tool is simply assumed to be free or already paid for by some human, somewhere, in advance. MCP gave the agent hands. It never gave it a wallet. That missing wallet is exactly what x402 is. It was created and open sourced by Coinbase back in May of 2025, and rather than invent some elaborate new system, they did something much smarter. They reached for a piece of the web that was already there. When the web was first designed, the engineers reserved a status code for exactly this moment, 402, payment required. They knew machines would one day need to pay each other. Then they left it blank, reserved for future use. For 30 years it sat empty, waiting. x402 is what finally fills that seat. And the flow is beautifully simple. The agent requests a resource, the server replies 402 and attaches the price. The agent signs a payment and retries. A facilitator verifies it and settles it on-chain. The server returns the data. 5 steps, no accounts, done in seconds. Look at what is actually inside that 402 reply. It is not a vague bill. It is a precise, machine-readable order. How much to pay, which token to use, almost always the dollar stablecoin USDC, which network, and the exact address to send it to. Everything an agent needs to decide instantly. The agent reads that, signs a payment authorization with its own wallet, and tucks the proof into a header on the next request. No redirect, no checkout page, no pop-up window. The payment just rides along inside the normal web request, the way it probably always should have. In the middle sits a piece called the facilitator. Its only job is to confirm the payment is real and settle it on the blockchain. Coinbase runs these for free on fast networks like Base and Solana. The protocol itself takes 0 fees, and the whole thing clears in seconds, not days. And this is why it has to be stablecoins, not your normal card. A credit card has a minimum, takes a cut, and was built for humans buying things. X402 payments average around 20 cents. Some are fractions of a single cent. That is a scale only digital money can even reach. Now bring the two halves together, because this is where it gets fun. In September of 2025, the team at Vercel shipped a small bridge called x402 MCT. It quietly welds the payment protocol straight onto your MCP tools, and the developer experience is almost absurd. You take a normal MCP tool and you add one thing, a price. You call it a paid tool. That is genuinely it. The tool now costs, say, 1/10 of a cent every time an agent calls it, and the plumbing handles all the rest. Watch the full loop now. The agent discovers your tool through MCP. It calls it. The tool answers 402. The agent pays over x402 automatically. The tool runs and returns the answer. Discover, call, pay, deliver. An entire commercial transaction, start to finish, with no human anywhere inside it. People are starting to call this the agent stack. MCP is how an agent reaches its tools. A second protocol, a 2A from Google, is how agents talk to other agents, and x402 is the cash register sitting underneath both. Think of it like the web itself, separate layers, each doing one job, snapping cleanly together, and suddenly anyone can sell to machines. A weather feed, a database query, a slice of GPU time, a finished research report. Wrap it in an MCP tool, set a price, and any agent on Earth can find it, pay for it, and use it. No sales calls, no contracts, no humans in the middle. This is why the backing got serious so fast. In April of 2026, Coinbase and Cloudflare moved x402 under the neutral Linux Foundation, and the founding member list reads like a roll call of the entire payments world. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Stripe, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Shopify, Circle. Amazon went further than just a logo. Their Bedrock Agent Core payment service lets an agent discover, approve, and execute these x402 payments on its own. With a managed wallet, hard spending limits that you set, and a full audit trail of every single cent it moved. The guardrails are built right in. Cloudflare and Amazon also wired it into the very edge of the network. A publisher can now charge an AI agent in stablecoins per request right at the point the content is served. If a bot wants to scrape your data, it can simply pay its way in instead of taking it for free. And Google folded x402 into its own payments protocol as the default way to settle in stablecoins. When rivals this fierce all quietly adopt the exact same rail, that is usually the signal that a real standard is forming underneath them. The raw numbers back it up. More than 119 million payments on Base, another 35 million on Solana. Somewhere around $600 million in annualized volume, and the protocol itself takes none of it. The rails very clearly work. Picture where that actually leads. An agent that runs low on context just buys more. One that needs an expert second opinion hires another agent and pays it on completion. Software stops being something you subscribe to and becomes something your agent rents by the second, exactly when it needs it. But now the honest half, because the hype is genuinely running ahead of reality. Look past the headline transaction counts at the real money actually moving, and it collapses, around $28,000 a day. And by some estimates, half of even that is wash trading, wallets quietly paying themselves. The reason is simple, and a little brutal. The shops are not built yet. x402 is a brilliant checkout counter for pay-per-call services, but almost nobody actually sells that way today. They built a beautiful road before anyone opened a single store along it, and we have seen this movie before. Earlier micropayment dreams, like the Lightning Network, were technically gorgeous and still mostly went nowhere. Coinbase's own engineers admit today's traffic is mostly testing. As one of them put it, we will probably overestimate the next year and badly underestimate the next 5. So here is the honest verdict. The wallet for AI agents now genuinely exists. The standard is set, the giants are aligned, and the technology very clearly works. The only real question left is whether the agent economy actually shows up to spend through it. Quick recap. The status code is 402, dormant for 30 years. x402 woke it up in 2025. over 119 million payments already, but still only tens of thousands of real dollars a day, for now. MCP gave your agent hands, x402 gave it a wallet. What it chooses to buy is the story we will all be watching next. I'll see you in the next one.